Oh, is that Samantha?
Sam, park her in here.
Not that way, this way. Right here.
Yeah, it's walking back.
Right here.
Whatever.
Yeah, back right into it.
Stand good in the spot. Down here is full. Okay, you can bang up mine, I don't care.
Hey, don't bang up me.
Hey, she's only got her G1. I know. Watch your ankles, John.
Brett's not driving, Brett's not here.
Brett's not here, man. Hashtag neither is my ankle.
Oh, it's there, it's just swollen.
Hi, Craig.
What's up, homie?
We're struggling.
Oh, yeah? Yeah?
That's okay. Get practice. Jeep? Such a tiny little thing.
Back seat, my cooler.
Yo, you want me to park for you?
Yeah. Everybody's looking back.
So they fit, wow.
Yeah, offset center, bro.
Holy,
Offset
who
center.
told you? Who would have told you? Amazing.
I learned from a little birdie. I know, actually, it's 6 an inch higher, which I'm not really happy with. But I can, it's all-wheel drive. Right?
That, you know what the solution that is?
What? Raise it, raise it.
Rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yo, that's one parking spot.
Hello. Yeah.
Bruh.
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 Your cousin did it.
What?
I didn't do it.
You sure?
Come cat. Oh, he did it.
Boy.
Some China. Some China.
Oh my Lanta.
Oh my Atlanta.
Bruh.
Hi Jess. How are you? Good. Where's out?
Think about a knife slowly cutting your throat. Let it think about a girl slowly putting on your coat. Lipstick on her lips, holy shit she close. Let it think about you dancing but you're stepping on the toes. Now I realize that all this has just in a fucking dream. All these hoes and all these bloody drinking fast like it's some lean. Why you dissing me?